Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing alcohol inks today. I've got some small coaster moulds. I'm going to do the drop the alcohol ink in method. I've got my deep white, a yellow ochre, deep pink, lemon green, purple and blue. No particular pattern in mind. I am just going to drop, and we'll see what happens. I have some resin mixed up ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this straight in. Right, yellow ochre is my first. I think I'll go with deep pink next. Oh, that was a leaky bottle. And I'm going to go with blue. Oh look, we're getting different effects on each one. That's cool. Cool. Purple. Lemon green. And then my white, which is a deep white. Super cool. I love how they all look different as well. Great. Right, I'll see you when they are set and we can see what they look like and what happened. Look at the interesting effect we're getting on that one. Cool. It is demoulding time. Everything is nice and set. Now, I've done this before and the colours mix more, and I do like to get in there with a cocktail stick. This is different resin to the one that I'm used to using. This is by Let's Resin, and this seems to cure a lot faster than what I'm used to, which is great. I'm not complaining about that, and the resin's really good. It's nice and clear, which is really nice. But it does mean that things like this don't have the same amount of time that I'm used to move around. So this is going to be very different to anything that I've done before with alcohol inks, and I'm really interested to see what results we get. You can see they all look slightly different. These two look quite similar in their shading, but the patterns are different. This one looks nice and cloudy as well, which is quite cool. So, I'm going to unmould them, leave them this way, and then we'll turn them all over. So, this resin as well seems to demould really easily compared to ones that I'm used to, which is really nice. All came out super easily. So I will turn them over one by one. Ta-da! Ooh, very cloudy. I quite like this. I don't know if it's going to pick up on the wispy bits that we've got here. Is that a better angle? There you go, you can see the wispiness. That's cool, I like that. And we've got this one. Lots of white. This is almost like, it's probably not what black hole looks like, but it's giving me black hole vibes with the blackness, the darkness in the middle with the white centre and then the cloudiness around the outside. It looks like a galaxy swirling around it almost. And I also like that we've got a bit of clear here. That's quite cool, gives an added depth, and you can get some, you can see through slightly as I run my finger along the back. That's quite cool, gives a different effect. Ooh, look at that one. That's kind of like a flower. That way, that's giving me pansy vibes. Do you know what I mean? Like this bit here. Really looks like a pansy to me. That's super cool, I love that. Really like the way that the white is veined out. I don't know if that's the right word, but that's what I'm calling it. Lovely. Well, I'm definitely going to be playing more with alcohol inks, so stick around if you want to see more. Like if you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.